Hi friends, I'm Dalia. Welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to simple and healthy home-style cooking. Today I'll be sharing one of the simplest methods of removing stickers from stainless steel utensils. Whenever we buy new vessels, it always comes with the company label or the price tag. These stickers can be quite difficult to remove with your fingers. So here's a trick that you can use to peel off your stickers in a very easy way. For this we need open flame. Here I'm using my gas stove. You can also use a candle or a lighter instead. Hold the vessel pointing the sticker directly over the flame. After about 20 seconds you can see that the sticker peels off easily. The heat of the flame melts the glue, which makes it easy to peel. If you feel the vessel is hot, hold it using gloves and use tongs to peel the sticker. You can use the same procedure for any stainless steel or aluminium vessels. For glass and plastic containers, we have a different method which I'll be sharing some other time. Here you can see I'm trying to remove the sticker from my aluminium cooker. If you have trouble peeling, hold the vessel once again over the flame for a few seconds. To get rid of the glue residue, apply some coconut oil in that place and spread it using your fingers. Wipe off the oil or clean using dishwash soap. Your vessel is ready to use now. If you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your family and friends. For detailed steps, visit our website simpleindianrecipes.com. See you again with more interesting videos. Until then, bye-bye.